The current Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio will live longer, as we may have to wait until 2028 for the next generation versions. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where, unfortunately, there's no good news regarding the new Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvio, because just a few days ago, there's been confirmation from highly reliable sources that the second generation of the Alfa Romeo D-segment SUV, the Stelvio, will arrive on the market significantly later than initially expected. Now, while the new Stelvio was initially scheduled for this summer 2025, as the summer is almost over, it will be delayed approximately 3 years. So the worst case scenario may ultimately prove to be the most accurate. Other sources have confirmed that no leaf will move in Casino until at least June 2028. This also applies to the new Giulia. A significant delay has also been confirmed for the sedan, although it will likely debut first of the two models, reversing the previous schedule. Now, the reason is, well, previously anticipated, the new Alfa Romeo Stelvio and the new Giulia were originally designed exclusively for electric vehicles. Therefore, the platform and production lines in the Casino plant will need to be adapted for the new production model, and obviously this will take a long time. Some aesthetic modifications to the car's bodies will also be necessary to accommodate for internal combustion engines. But the good news is there will most likely be more than just hybrid and electric engines, but perhaps even some pure combustion engines. Alfa Romeo has realized that its previous strategy of focusing solely on electric vehicles would have been a complete brand suicide, and so its plans appear to have changed radically. This, however, will create significant problems in the Casino plant, where the cars are currently produced. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio, Giulia, and Maserati Grecale, all on the Giorgio platform, don't guarantee high production numbers, and there are even fears that these could decline further in the coming years. Now, the question now is, what will the Casino workers do while they wait for the 2028 launch of the new Stelvio and Giulia? This situation is truly dire, and plant employees, unions, and even suppliers who have already been notified of the delay are worried. Meanwhile, Alfa Romeo is pondering what to do and how to pass the time. And as I mentioned, confirmed from the CEO, Santo Felice himself, the current Giulia and Stelvio will see their market life extended with the launch of numerous special editions, including the already announced Luna Rossa version. Now, with that said, you can't rule out another slight restyling, given that the current models on sale now are scheduled to be available until 2028. Now, in the meantime, however, there could be another surprise. Another model could arrive by the end of 2026 is what we hear, likely to be produced in Melfi, but we're not exactly sure about that one yet. We'll talk about that a little later on. But with that said, what do you guys think? Are you excited that the current models have extended their shelf life and we could see those for another 3 years? Are you excited about what special editions these Alfa Romeo Giulia and Stelvios currently on the Giorgio platform will produce? And are you guys ready for the next generation? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below or my website links. I appreciate the extra love and support you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.